Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, showing you how to remove and reinstall a rear shock on a late model KTM, GASGAS, or Husqvarna dirt bike. We're going to start by removing our skid plate with the linkage guard, then the frame protectors on each side. Then I'm going to loosen up these two bolts and remove them for the rear brake master cylinder. We're going to pull that up off the push rod and set it to the side. After that, you want to have your bike on a stand. We're using a scissor lift stand. It's going to make the job a little bit easier. Then we're going to remove the lower shock mounting bolt with our 13mm socket, and then the pull rod nut and bolt with our 19mm socket. We'll let those pieces swing down. Then I'm going to use a 19mm socket to loosen up the swing arm pivot bolt. Then I'm going to use a dead blow mallet to tap that swing arm pivot bolt free. I'm also going to loosen up this axle bolt. I'm going to push the axle over just enough to where I can push it forward away from those adjusters. We're going to remove the chain from the sprocket. Then we're going to temporarily reinstall those adjusters and the axle nut. Then from here we can remove the upper shock mounting bolt. Once that's out, it's going to be kind of a tight fit, but you're just going to pull the shock down and rotate it slightly. You shouldn't have to force it. And as you remove this, you're going to pull the swing arm out, and that's going to allow you to remove the shock from the bottom. Now, I do want to point out, you don't have to remove your exhaust, but if you find that it's a little tight, it can help to remove that if you want to make it easier. And then going back together, installation is the reverse order. Always reference your model specific service manual for specs and make sure you get thread locker on any bolts that need it. All right, so that's it for removing and installing your rear shock on your late model KTM, Husqvarna, or GASGAS dirt bike. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need any parts for your shock, you can find that stuff on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.